You are going to love the 2023 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, technology package, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, adaptive cruise control, HD radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.